Which does more work? A force of 30 Newton moving via 1.2 kilometer or a force of 100 Newton moving via 40 meter? At one go, it feels like, 140 compared to 30 and 1.2. Obviously, the second case is bigger. But the thing is, this is in kilometers. This is where people miss, the units. So you should make a note about the units. Okay, guys. So that's how I made this tricky. If not, it's not a very difficult question. So there are two different cases. Diagram is not required for you guys to write in the exam. It's only for our understanding over here. So we have 30 Newton and the distance is in kilometer. We have to convert it to meter and then we'll write this. We have 100 Newton and this is 40 meters. Okay. So I'm trying to teach you guys the discipline, right? All this is very simple calculation. This discipline is what you have to learn. Now, since we are comparing, right? Always write things in form of cases. Case 1, what is given? The force turns out to be 30 Newton, right? And then you have the displacement S1, which is 1.2 kilometer. And how will we go over doing this? 1.2 can be written as 12 by 10 and kilo is 1000, so many meters. And we have 10 ones, 10 hundreds. So this would be 1200, right? So we have 1200 meter. So this we can complete now. Agree? So learn such art. Then case 2. See, disciplined way of writing things. I keep telling my students, and I know you guys are also doing the same. You're not writing things clearly. So this is 100 Newton. The indiscipline runs in all of you guys. It's the age, I guess. So 40 meters. Right, guys? So clear cut. Segregating what is given for what case has to be done. Then the working. So since we are using the same formula, I can just write the formula once. Work is equal to force into displacement. And we have the case 1, which is work 1, which is force is 30 Newton. Displacement is 1200, right? So this is 3 zeros, comma 36. What is the unit? Yes, joule. And we have the case 2. See, in a very neat manner, you guys have to segregate things and work it out. So 100 into 40, this would be 3 zeros and a 4. So this is 4000 joules. So clearly case 1 is bigger. So this. So at one go, at one glance, you guys will end up writing case 2 is bigger. That's the whole part, the units, that's why I gave this question. Okay, so remember the last part will carry marks. The force of 100 Newton does more work. Right? Remember, such statement will carry half a mark. Okay? Because they exclusively asked which is big. So calculation is not the answer. End of the calculation, you have to come to a conclusion. That's your answer. Right, guys? So again, learn to handle units. Learn to handle fractions, decimals, right? Cancellation and all of this is what you have to learn. If not, it's a very simple, straightforward question.